Hey, Robbie here. Wait, stop what you're doing. I want to show you something really, really cool. And this is my Clickbank account. Come on, check it out right here. So this is my Clickbank account, and I am making a lot of money every single day. Right, let me actually hit refresh so you can see this is a real page. And look at that, made a little bit more money there as we speak. And so guys, how am I making that much money every single day? Well, it's actually very, very simple. As a matter of fact, it comes down to 3 simple steps that I want to share with you guys. Now, what I've done, is because I know I have a lot of people wondering and watching this video and saying, Robbie, how are you doing this? Well, what I've done is put together a free case study video on exactly how I've been able to do that. How I've been able to go from a struggling gym owner with no online business 5 years ago to now being the top affiliate on Clickbank, doing millions of dollars every single year, and how I've been able to help out over 2,800 students this year alone. So if you want to learn how to do it too, it's very simple to do. It doesn't matter where you live in the world, doesn't matter how much experience you have or lack of experience you have, you can have success with this, guys. So go ahead, click the link, register for this free case study. You'll get instant access. And like I said, in this case study video, you're gonna learn how I've done it, how my students have done it, but more importantly, how you can do it too. So that's it, guys. Register now, and I'll see you on the inside.